Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tarisna Dwi Rahmasari. I am from B class and I will present my research project with the title is The Effect of Applying Binomo Application Towards Student Writing Skill on Descriptive Text at 10th grade. Before the researcher explain the content of the study, the researcher makes an overview. There are 5 points. First is Chapter 1, Introduction. Chapter 2 is Review of Related Theories. Chapter 3, Methodology. Chapter 4, Result and Discussion. And Chapter 5, Suggestion and Conclusion. First is Chapter 1, Introduction. There are 6 points in Chapter 1. First is background of the problem. Second is identification of the problem. Third is limitation of the study. Fourth is statement of the problem. Fifth is objective of the research, and the last is significance of the research. In background of the problem, the researcher explained that writing is a difficult skill in English because it must pay attention to grammar, vocabulary, and punctuation. Based on observation at Al Irsyad High School Tegal, especially in 10th grade, students have difficulty in writing. Therefore, the researcher used media in the form of the Binomo application to help students in writing and see if there is a positive effect during learning in the use of Binomo application. And the next is identification of the problem. You can see in the PPT. And the third is limitation of the study. This research focused on the effect of using the Binomo application. The researcher chose 10th grade students of Al Irsyad Tegal High School in the academic year 2024 until 2025. And the next is objective of the research. There are 2 points. First is to find out whether the positive effect of Binomo application on student writing skill on descriptive text, and the second is to find out student responses to the use of the Binomo application in writing descriptive text. The last is significance of the research. The results of the study are expected to contribute for teachers, students, and for the researchers. Next is Chapter 2, Review of Related Theories. First is previous studies. The researcher only took 3 of the 20 previous research, and you can see them of the PPT. And the next, the researcher will explain about descriptive text. There are 3 points. First, definition. Second, generic structure. And the third is language feature. In the definition, you can see in the PPT. And the generic structure, there are 2 generic structure. There are is identification and description. And the last is language feature. And the next is Binomo application. In this slide, the researcher will explain about the Binomo application. First is definition about Binomo application. According to M. Sabaurin 2020, the use of Binomo application is an effective strategy for students to demonstrate understanding of concept and information by creating digital mind mapping. Binomo application is one of the mind mapping applications that can be downloaded and Play Store on or Apple Store, and it's easy to use both for Android, iOS, or Windows. And the next is steps of using Binomo application. And the next is theoretical framework. The last for Chapter 2 is hypothesis. There are 2 hypotheses. First is alternative hypothesis or HA. HA is there is a positive effect of using the Binomo application on student descriptive text writing skill, and the null hypothesis or HO, there is no positive effect of using the Binomo applications on students' descriptive writing skill. Next slide is Chapter 3 about methodology. First is approach, type, and design of the research. There are 3 points. First is research approach. The study use quantitative research, and the second is research type. The researcher used experimental research, and the last is research design. The research used quasi-experimental design. Next slide is about population, sample, and technique of sampling. Population, the total of population is 128 students, and sample is using class 10.3 as the control class and 10.4 as the experimental class. And the technique of sampling, the researcher used purposive sampling. This is the research variable and data collecting technique. And next slide is research instrument and data collecting technique. In research instrument, the researcher used tests and questionnaire, and in data collecting technique, there are 4 steps to collect the data. First is descriptive statistic, second is normality, third is homogeneity, and the last is paired sample t-test. And next slide is chapter 4, result and discussion. In this slide, first is about data analysis. There are 3 pictures about data analysis. First is descriptive statistic, second is normality, and the third is homogeneity. Next is about paired sample t-test. You can see the result of the picture about paired sample t-test. The next is conclusion. Based on the data result, the average in descriptive statistics show that the experimental class scores are higher than the control class. And the questionnaire also almost entirely chose agree that the minimum application had a positive effect. The value in the paired sample t-test also show that the sigma value is less than 0.005. That means is HO or null hypothesis is rejected and HA alternative hypothesis is accepted. I think enough presentation from me. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And the next slide is about references.